thanks for joining me. I'm doing a simple eyebrow tutorial. So I start off with just the eyebrow pencil, and that's MAC's Brunette. I start off with lighter color, the beginning part of my eyebrow, and then towards the end I'll go back in with the spiked pencil by MAC. So that's all I'm doing. I just use a pencil on my brows. I don't use powder, I don't use pomades, any of that. Just trying to get my shape together, basically. So next I get the my spoolie and just blend my brows out a little bit more. And on the next brow, I'll just repeat the same process. So right there, I'm using the spiked, the darker eye pencil, spiked by MAC. Just trying to get everything together, going back in, blending. And right there, I clean up under my brows with NC35 Matte Concealer with a flat synthetic shader brush. Blend it out to clean it up a bit. And the key for me to making my brows look natural and like hair-like, I just, by using the pencil, I just do light upward strokes, you know, like in the direction of my hair going. I don't try to fill them in too much where they look too dark and too fake. Try to keep it looking like hair-like, like natural as possible. So I just blend out the concealer underneath so it can blend and not be all extra light up under there. Just making sure that it is precise. Eyebrows have to be perfect. I do that before I do anything else on my face, especially my eye makeup. I make sure my brows are straight before I get into that. And right here I'm using another MAC brush. I forgot, it was a square shader brush, synthetic, but I use that to comb it up, blend it up, to make sure it looks natural and blend it in. And I'm almost done. I'm just making sure they're right. I don't play about these brows. They gotta be perfect. So yeah, basically I'm just going back and forth with both pencils. I'm just trying to get it straight all together. Filling them in. And that's really basically all I do with my brows. And then when I'm finished, I'm going to go in with Anastasia's Clear Brow Gel to set them, and that's really it. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. I try to make it as short and quick as possible. I think it's a pretty simple eyebrow tutorial. You're only using like basically 3 products: a brow pencil, some concealer, and some brow gel to set them in place. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. It's about to end in a few seconds. Well, about a few seconds. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, also share on your social media outlets. Thank you.